Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to master smooth transition in CapCut. Step by step, start by opening the CapCut app and drag all the videos that you want. The transition in the timeline, as you can see, have already placed all the videos in the timeline. Now CapCut has a variety of transition that you can put in directly to make your video look better in an instant. Some of my recommendation are pull in. See the transition. It looks smooth and does not consume any time. Here's some extra bonus tip for you. If the videos are fast-paced like this one, I would recommend using the speed curve. Click on the first video and go to speed. Don't go to the standard, go to the curve and choose flash out for the first video, and click on second and choose flash in. Now connect both of these videos and the videos will look instantly better. See the difference? For even a smoother result, you can add motion blur, and once you are satisfied, export your video and enjoy a professional looking transition. And that's it. You have successfully mastered a smooth transition in CapCut. For more video editing tips, check out our next DelftStack tutorial videos.